Imagine being the only creature for miles around, with no pack, no herd, and no flock. How would you survive? You'd have to rely on your own wits, and whatever skills you've learned, to find food, shelter, and protect yourself from predators. It's a tough existence, but some animals are adapted to living in isolation, and they've developed some pretty clever strategies to stay alive. Take bears, for example. They're experts at surviving on their own, and they can go for months without seeing another bear. They've got a highly developed sense of smell, which helps them find food, and they're also great at conserving energy, which is essential when you're not sure where your next meal is coming from. They'll often slow down their metabolism, and even hibernate, to make the most of the food they've stored up. But bears are just one example. Many other animals are also well adapted to living in isolation. Some species of birds, like robins, are happy to live alone, and they've developed complex songs to communicate with other robins over long distances. These songs are like a way of saying hello, and warning other birds to stay away. It's a clever way of maintaining their territory without having to be part of a group. In the ocean, some species of whales, like the sperm whale, are also known to be solitary animals. They'll often wander the seas alone, only coming together with other whales to mate. They use a form of sonar, called echolocation, to navigate and find prey. It's a bit like having a built-in radar system. This ability to navigate and hunt alone is crucial for their survival, and it's something that's developed over thousands of years of living in the vast open ocean. As we explore more about these solitary animals, we start to realize just how resourceful and resilient they are, and how they've developed unique behaviors to cope with the challenges of living alone. From finding food and shelter, to avoiding predators and navigating their environment, each species has its own set of adaptations that enable it to thrive in isolation. One of the most fascinating examples of this is the polar bear, which can go months without seeing another bear, and yet it's able to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. It's developed an incredible sense of smell that can detect seal breathing holes in the ice from over a mile away, and its white fur acts as camouflage, allowing it to sneak up on its prey. But what's even more impressive is its ability to slow down its metabolism and enter a state of walking hibernation, which helps to conserve energy when food is scarce. This kind of adaptability is not unique to polar bears, however, as many other animals have developed similar strategies to cope with isolation. For example, some species of birds have been known to cache food or store it away in hidden locations to retrieve later when they need it. And some reptiles, like turtles, have developed shells that protect them from predators and can even estivate or enter a state of dormancy to conserve energy during periods of drought. As we continue to study these solitary animals, we're constantly amazed by their ingenuity and their ability to thrive in environments that would be hostile to most other species. And it's not just about survival either, as many of these animals have even developed complex social behaviors, like communication and cooperation, that allow them to interact with each other in unique and fascinating ways. If you want to learn more about the social behaviors of animals in isolated environments, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the fascinating world of animal communication and how it helps them to connect with each other, even in the most remote and inhospitable places.